This is the Spanish talking from Ace Black TV. Please subscribe.
Baba, Secretary who wants to start. I'm an uncle. And you're not good job. And he won't have a fair. And you're not good job. And he won't have a fair. I got second. I won't see me. Papa Gabriel. And that way, Papa Gabriel. And that way, never know. Papa Gabriel. And that way. I got second. What's it on? And that way.
Subscribe and enjoy.
Honorable Azagba boy, I am making another man. So for me, I talk about some girl. God bless you.
Oh, just I give it you. Oh, one man power. Oh, he's at you. One man power. Oh, he's at you. Oh, Fenoro, what I'm in. wa ewa nọrịa wa o otu nwanyị ikpina jawa nọrịa wa o kafe wa o you gonna see money they use ovi kwa pasa ma ge na daze o wa ma gba wa o gi sati ovi ye wa ma gba wa o gi sati o fe na ro wa sa me na ro ye ro wa e wa na ya wa o to ma ye wadoga e yagwe gwa nera wa kaba ni wina yaka obya wya ni mose ga wena buwato wagi magi tuti ora wagi magi tu ogwa makwa wa go biye wa go isati ogwa makwa wa obiara wa go isati ofe nọrọ gwa same nọrọ oge biro gwa ewa nọrịa wa o otu ọma oye rade wege na daza obi oge ni mo se we na huwa to rawa o manu gwa magbe o na seti bogwa manu gwa magbe wa maga na seti di moto manu gwa magbe o aso na seti yewe bo bogwa lawo ke na lawo di ame aso bogwa wi na je obi ye wa go gwa wi na je gwa wi na je o iwi na rugbo ye gwa wi na je ye mo iwi na rugbo wa so galera wa iya re wa ga yo galera no ki o wa so galera wa ga no go wa o je ga ni maso ka we na wu wa to igba ni ga wa so no wa o na ya pa wa ka wa gi magi tu ti ora wa ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ wọn gẹ̀ náà dàza òbí òkè ni mo ṣe wé náà wùwà tó o ra o. wà á tọ́ òbí òkè ní rábẹ̀. wà á kọ́ ẹ kóra lókè wọn àgbàgbọ́ náà wọn wà á sáwọn lèlè kíá. òbí òkè ni mo sọ káwé náà wùwà tó wọ́n kí mẹ́rì tún dé o ẹgbàgbọ́. wa ma gba o ogi sati obi ye ogi sati ye wa na wa ma mi o e mi ro wa e wa na ya o na wa ye koma no gba ma gbe o na sati po wa koma no gba ma gbe wa ma ge wa na sati di moto koma no gba ma gbe o na sati yewe bo o gba la bo ke na la mu di ame ibi o de sa se ga no tu wa se wa se mu de o kele jagun Spanish wagenera o jaye kuma o waya wase waga wa se ude o chama no wago chama ogo jasazo itaga wa papa o maga nyama asama o waga wego koke no igoge ko wege wagi magi tute urama o sapa nyama no ge no ti o ma ko mi chichama o wa ma máa pa wọn o orí iṣẹ́ tí ò jọ́ sí. Iye ewa nọrị ọma o otu ọnwa onye Send the fire, the Holy Ghost. Send the fire again, the Holy Ghost fire. Send the fire, Holy Ghost fire. Send the fire again, Holy Ghost fire. Everything I double double. For the second, wado wado wado, wado wado wado. If you want that star, wago to nanabo, wado. Sheba gogo, sheba jo, sheba gogo, sheba jo, let's go. Waya wawa se. Thank you. Do yawa, yawa do yawa, do yawa, yawa do. Do yawa, yawa do. Do yawa, yawa do. Yawa ni adoko. Wawa se wago, wawa se bude. Yawa, yawa do. Yawa ni adoko. Yawa. Wado, yo, wado. Wado. Share, support, and your comment is very important.
Anyone want to work with? Meno Obiwa or Monaco Bomai winner. Bright to give her aka Santa Dada or Monogi. Oh, yes. Up one the stars. Up one the stars. United. Up one day,
Come on.
Wonder Stars United. So, why you watch is black YouTube. So from now on, subscribe. Wonder Stars every week live on stage. 3 artists. We are going to be playing live and direct in Ace Black TV. So so from now on, subscribe and enjoy. Join this program from now on. Every Tuesday, we are going to be playing for you live and direct different artists from Wonder Stars.
Wonder Stars, I'm the son of Isaac Gwasa. So I want to add to my brother's opinion. Please subscribe. We play our music in Wonder. We play our life, hip hop, anything you can think about. We, the Wonder Stars, we play all brands of music. This is the Spanish, talking from Ace Black TV. Please subscribe.
Gentlemen, my name is Ace Black, popularly known as Ace Black TV. I brought my program to Wonder Stars because I heard about them and I say, man, you know, we have a lot of artists in Benin, probably a Edo State. We have a lot of artists that many people have not known all over the world. And Ace Black TV is all about promoting the upcoming artists and as many that have talent, that want to showcase their talent, we are available for them. So I took my program to Wonder Stars because they have a lot of artists and they are talented. It's a program that will be coming up on Ace Black TV every Tuesday. It's a continuous program. Please support our people, home and abroad. Please, we need your support. As many that will be watching this my platform and see the artists performing, whatever you can do for them, any support you can give to them, and we say as you do, God bless you. Please share, support, and your comment is very important. Your comment is important. God bless you all.